Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore send an SMS message using Python with the help of the Twilio API. Create a Python script to send an SMS. You'll first need to sign up for a Twilio account. Obtain your account set and authorization token. Buy a new Twilio number or use trial account number. Make sure to replace your account set, your auth token Twilio number with your actual Twilio account details and phone numbers in the Python script. Install the Twilio Python library using pip. Execute your script to send the SMS. This script will send a message to the specified mobile number. The message has been successfully sent. I am using trial account. See the number and message details. Thank you for watching.